Hey guys, this is Anshka Gupta and welcome to my channel Let's Code and Solve by Newton School. I hope you all understood the concept of what is list in Python in previous tutorial. Today we're going to study about what are string in Python, how to add it, how to access it, delete, restore and concatenate the list. Before going to that, let's know what is Newton School. So Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. It has the courses designed for freshers, working professional and also for women with non-tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and then helps you to become amazing full stack developer. It also has a large number of network, more than 300 great companies who hire from Newton School. So, once the training is complete, Newton School also ensures that its students are placed in good companies. And the best part is Newton School has a pay after placement program under which you don't have to pay Newton School anything until or unless you are being placed with minimum 5 lakh CTC. So moving toward the companies in Newton School. Newton School has amazing top companies that is Snapdeal, Xiaomi, ThoughtWorks, Topper, then 7-Eleven, Lenskart, TechMint and many more. Now let's start what are strings in Python. So strings in Python are being created by enclosing the character inside a single quote, double quote or triple quote. So even the triple quote can be used in the Python, but generally it used to represent multi-line strings and doc strings. So strings it's being used for assessing individual character, slicing part, and after that it is being used to verify the string consisting of alphabets, digits, upper and lower. It is also being used for split string and also to find the length of string, particular string. So basically in the short terms what a string is. So a string is a sequence of character. That means it is the particularly a line of character or a structure of character which is used to create the string by enclosing the character in a quotes, whether it's single quote, double quote or triple quote. So triple quotes are multiply using for the multi lines. So Python always being uses or to be treated as a single quotes, but as the same the double quotes are also being used. Formally, the Python uses the Unicode format to represent character. For example, if I have a name or I have a value in my characters, it will be obsessed with unique characters. Furtherly, how to read, how to print or how to structure the string in a particular format. For assessing the characters in string, that means like we can assess individual character by using indexing as a range of character using slicing, but indexing is always started from 0. So if we are going to try as a character part as an indexing range, it will raise our index error. So the index must be as integer. We cannot use as a floats or we cannot use this as a type errors. Basically Python allows the negative indexing also, but for the in sequence. So what if we are going to assess the individual character? So assessing the individual character means like you are being doing the indexing part, and the decimal, the int or float part will get the errors. But if we are being not being using the boolean part, it will be also be getting the error, the type error. So particular character is being recognized as using the indexing part. So these are all examples we're gonna perform in Newton School IDE. So for using character, so indexing is a particularly a product or a sequence to be generating. That means that no separate character is to be obtained in a particular string that is of length 1, length 2 or length 3. So what if we are going to do the slicing? So slicing is also been done in indexing part only. So indexing and slicing both are recognizable as the same part. We used to index out of all ranges by using number or other integer, but while using boolean or float, we're gonna get the type error. So slicing, we can assess substrings using slicing, but we can reform that. So what is the string concatenation? So string concatenation, I already told you in the list part also what is string concatenation. When we use string concatenation, it means that we are joining one part to another by adding them. Okay, so joining of two or more string into a single one is known as concatenation. There is plus operator for the concatenation, and there's asterisk sign, that means that it's a repetition part, or it is being repeating multiple times. So these are the operators being used for the add the strings or to repeat the strings for the given number at the particular time. So now comes is what is iterating. Iterating through strings means like we are being using the for condition loops or conditional loops to iterate at variable more than one to endless timings. Okay, when we performing that string up to level, and after that we are gonna reduce them or we're gonna increase them as a particular number of loops we are gonna arrange it. Okay, let's perform. Yeah, let's perform some of the examples. So here is one example to write upon how to assess or how to create a string in Python. So I'm being preparing one string that is only hello. After that, let me print my string. So here I prepared my string that is hello, and my string gave the output as hello part. So what if I'm being using the double quotes in that? Let me apply double quotes in this. Then again print my string. Okay, sorry, yeah. Again I'll be getting the hello as an output as a single quote also and a double quote also. What if I apply the triple quotes? But the triple quotes are always been applied as a single quote only, not a triple quote in this sense. Triple quotes are being applied particularly as in this term. Again the output will be same. So triple quotes means that it can extend the value, but at the multiple lines it is obviously being performing a particular structure. So when we open the program or when we open the similar structure, that means we are not getting a particular error. Okay, that how we're gonna choose it. So what if we have to assess the character in a string? For assess the character in a string, sorry, let me show you one to assess string characters in Python. So to assess the string, first of all, let us introduce what string is all about. Let's say it's Newton's tool. Okay, and I have to print the first character of that, and how I will be like assessing and printing my first character as string, which is being equal as str. So the output I'll be getting is my string, and what string is being defined or what string is being initiated as a value number, that is Newton's rule. Okay, and now what if I have to print only one character or one character of my string? So I will be writing upon only. Let me like comment it, you will be easily understanding what I am being writing. First character only. So what if I only have to print my first character? So for printing first character, let us declare what our string is all about and start our indexing. And string to mention so my first character of what string I have been initiated was the Newton school. And after that, when I started printing my first character, that first character of string is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to. And it's a negative indexing also, we can do it. So my first character is n. Okay, and now what if I'm being writing as 1 in the same input? So it will also give me the 1 only. So why it is? So it is being performing the similar structure as an output structure. So what if we are being writing -2? So -2, it will be giving me the string of this, but I don't need it. Now the string indexing is different, but string simulation is different. So what if I write 1 and 5 in this? And after that, I mention the string also again that I need an output of 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 will be coming is EWTO. Okay, EWTO1 to the starting from 0 to 1. Okay, that how we're gonna use the string indexing, assessing that part in a particular simulations. Now what if we are being using the operation also and concatenation also? For concatenation, it means like the joining two or more strings in a particular form. Okay, so it's like we are using plus operator, or we are being using the asterisk sign, that means for the repetition side. So let us move to concatenation and repetition. So let me declare my first string, that is hello. It's a common example nowadays being coming, hello world. Another string is my world. Okay, let me now use by, let me just comment it, you will be easily understanding using plus operator. So what if I'm printing by concatenation, like that means string 1 plus string 1 plus string 2. Okay, that will be equals to my output. Now comes output. What is it? String 1 plus string 2. It will be coming as hello world. String 1 and string 2 will be coming as hello world. So what if I don't need as a repetition, as a structural part? So if I change it by using asterisk sign, if I change this as an asterisk sign, particularly saying that I need a string multiplication of 2, or multiplication of string 1 has to be repeated 3 times. Again I have to make a change in this, that string 1 needs to be changed 3 times. And what it will be equals to, let's check. it will be coming to hello, hello, hello. Okay, that how we're gonna structure the basic of concepts as concatenation, how to assess the particular list in that, and how to structure that list, because this how we're gonna judge out how the strings are being coming out and how they are being formed as a particular basic structure of it. Okay, so stay tuned to my upcoming video, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and stay tuned. Thank you.